안녕하세요. 저는 제이미입니다. Hello, my name's Jamie. I haven't posted anything for a while, but I'm happy to see that the Vue.js Flask video is actually helping some people out. I'm glad to see that, and it has a lot of views actually. I think that's the most viewed video I have in my collection. Um, I hope this microphone's working, but right now, I'm just going to give an update to what is going on. Let me change my background and everything. I have a new application that I'm working on. You guys can see that, right? So I have several applications I'm working on actually. So first off, I found out there is a framework for WordPress and React. And if you get it working. It's called Frontity. You get it working. You use the JSON API for your WordPress, and you connect it up, and it works like almost right out of the box. There's that project I'm working on. I'm going to redesign AkibaHadaka.com, and I'm going to run the front end completely on React. And I'm going to have that served by Nginx because Nginx is a web server and it's faster than having it done through Flask and Gunicorn. So there's that project, and I would like to actually do that together with you guys. Like, I think that'd be a good idea because it's not too hard, and there is some tricks, that you have to be aware of that I had to find out, and I want you guys to know those tricks. One of them has to do with setting your permalinks correctly in your WordPress admin settings. There's that a whole a React and WordPress project using the Frontity Framework, and then another project I just did and I want to improve upon. I'll show it to you now. Is another Japanese flashcard application using React this time. Let me go there. I think it's called Japanese flashcards, I hope. Let's put that Hey, wait a sec. I don't know the exact URL. I gotta work on some stuff on my website. As you can see, like those icons appeared first. I'll work on that later. Okay, Japanese flashcards version 2. So here it is. I'm pretty psyched about this one. I'm really happy about this one actually. It's way better. It's a huge improvement. So you can look at your cards right here, and this is just some test data right here. But I can go down here and I want to select JLPT N5. That's the Japanese language proficiency test, and N5 is like level 1. It's like the elementary level. I select that, and then I select my lessons. There's like around, I want to say 500 or so words I have, and I split them up into 20 words per lesson. I go to lesson 1, and then I hit submit, and then you see that I have my quiz right here, and I have a score and everything. What's really cool is I'm using, I think, Wanakana. I added that to the project. It's hosted on GitHub, and it's actually done by the same people who Tofugu is the company that does it. It's open source and everything. You can use it. Tofugu is the company that does Wanakani, website where you could practice learning kanji and whatnot. And they also own the gshow.org or gshow.com. It's the online dictionary that I always use for Japanese. But Wane Kana allows me to start typing. For this is hiragana, so I'm just gonna type in the English definition. Over there should be it. I can hit enter. Another one over there, or I can do check. I can click check answer. Oh, there. Apartment. Okay, here we go. So now we have a kanji word, and I need to write not English definition, but now I'm being tested on do I know the hiragana for this word. And what's cool is I can just use my regular keyboard, no input method or anything, and it just starts typing hiragana right away. It's just super cool. Make this bigger so you guys can see what's going on. So I'm typing Japanese right now. And that's what the Wanakana, I guess you'd call it a library, or a package that I installed using npm. That's what it allows me to do. Super cool. Sate. Yes. Okay, that's enough of that. But I'm pretty psyched about this. I'm going to be doing some more stuff on this. And this is actually a little bit different from my other projects where I build a Vue.js. I build the project and then I host it using Flask, and Flask serves it. Miguel Grinberg, who's really good with Python and all that stuff. I watched some of his videos, and it's actually better to use a web server to serve that out. It's a lot more faster. That's why we set up Apache and Nginx. We like to serve static files like images and other stuff using the web server, because it's a lot more efficient that way, because it's designed to be fast and efficient. In the same way, I can also cache things too, and I can serve my index.js file, my index.html file. I mean, the one that after I build my React or Vue project is the one that is the final site that gets built, that gets bundled together. I could serve that right away using Nginx or Apache. And then I can use Flask to control the API. And I think this is way better. I think Miguel Grinberg is a genius for that. And I'm going to have a link to the video so you guys can watch it, because he can explain it a lot better than I can. He's a really, really experienced developer, and he knows Flask and React and all that stuff. He's a Flask expert. I mean, I'm sure you guys have been following his blog and everything. If you guys are into Flask, you've heard of Miguel Grinberg. But anyway, that is another project that I'm hyped about. And I'm trying to think, is there another project I'm working on? There are some projects I'm working on that I need to do, and it's on FreeCode Camp. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Okay, I highly recommend FreeCode Camp. It will change you. Like I already did the JavaScript algorithm and data structure certificate. I did it. I completed it. Now I'm on the front end library certificate, and I have to do some projects using React. So I got 4 more projects to go, and then I'll get another certificate from FreeCode Camp. And then I'm going to put that right on my resume, and I'm going to put it on my website. And yeah, so I guess those are the 3 web development projects I'm working on right now. So I'm going to redo my WordPress site to run React in the front end using the Frontity Framework, and I'm going to upgrade and do some more stuff, add some more content to my my Japanese application. And then I need to finish these 4 projects on here. I already did the random quote machine. I need to do Markdown previewer, a drum machine, JavaScript calculator, and build a 25 plus clock. Apart from that, though, I have other projects besides web development projects like that I'm working on. So I went ahead and started. I went to Coursera, and because I love Python so much, oh, I thought I paid already. Okay. I saw that they charged me already. So I went ahead and started a Google Python automation certificate. And this is one course out of maybe like 5, I think, courses. And each course like takes around 6 weeks. I'm in week 4 right now. And I've also been working on this too. And I know I'm getting ahead of myself. I should finish the React projects for the FreeCode Camp first, but I just could not wait to do this, you know. And I thought, I better get this. So this is the thing else that I'm working on is a Python automation certificate. That's another project I'm working on. And I also found some other resources. Lots of books. Not that one. Okay, here we go. And I'm going to link you guys to this. So FreeCode Camp had an article done by Randall Kanna. How to hack together your own CS degree online for free. Now I'm going really deep. I'm really getting ahead of myself. But I found some stuff that's like I need to brush up on. I need to do this stuff. And they have one website on here. Oh, here we go. And here's another link that I'm going to give you guys. TeachYourSelfCS. And this is really overwhelming for me, but yeah, it's in order to truly understand what you're doing and to be, I guess have that knowledge and patterns that never go away no matter what new framework comes out or what trend there's out. This is time proof, like it's never gonna grow old. It's a lot of stuff. But anyway, I gotta eat dinner, so I'll let you guys go. Just a little bit of update of what's going on right now and some links to help you out. Thank you and have a good day.